Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation on predicting hotel reservation cancellations. The hospitality industry faces reservation cancellation impacting finances, operations, and guest satisfaction. Our project uses advanced predictive analytics to achieve financial stability, streamline operations, and enhance guest loyalty. Our goals include improving prediction accuracy, developing adaptable cancellation strategies, minimizing peak demand losses, optimizing resource allocation, and prioritizing guest satisfaction. Our approach uncovers patterns, fine-tunes policies, and enhances guest relationships for precise insights into reservation cancellation. Let's start by analyzing the first hypothesis, which focuses on the connection between lead time and cancellation rates. We are testing if the time between booking and arrival, known as lead time, impacts cancellations. Our null hypothesis indicates no significant correlation between lead time and cancellations, while the alternative hypothesis suggests a positive correlation. We'll use simple linear regression to assess this relationship's strength and significance, exploring if longer lead times result in more cancellation. The scatter plot clearly distinguishes between cancelled and non-cancelled. Shorter lead times tend to have a lower cancellation rate, while longer lead times show a higher cancellation rate. This visual evidence supports our hypothesis of a positive correlation. However, for precise, statistically valid conclusion, we will conduct a formal linear regression analysis to assess this relationship's strength and significance. Our linear regression analysis strongly supports the hypothesis, revealing a statistically significant positive correlation between lead time and cancellation rates. Longer lead times substantially increase cancellation likelihood, with a very low p-value. The intercept also has a very low p-value, confirming lead time's influence, although it explains only a modest proportion of variability. These results decisively reject the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis, indicating a significant positive correlation. Now let's delve into hypothesis 2, which examines if the deposit type chosen by guests impacts cancellation rates. The null hypothesis states that deposit type has no influence on cancellations, while the alternative hypothesis proposes a connection between them. We'll use the chi-square test to evaluate this relationship by comparing observed and expected cancellation across different deposit types. The p-value in our analysis is remarkably small, providing strong evidence against the null hypothesis. This implies a significant association between deposit type and cancellation likelihood. In practical terms, deposit type does influence cancellations, leading us to reject null hypothesis in favor of alternative hypothesis, indicating a statistically significant relationship. Now let's delve into hypothesis 3, which examines if room type choice influences reservation cancellations. The null hypothesis indicates no significant correlation between room type and cancellation, while the alternative hypothesis suggests a correlation. We employed decision tree analysis to reveal room type cancellation relationships, identifying which room types are associated with different cancellation rates and uncovering guest preferences influencing cancellation. In the decision tree analysis, room types show varying cancellation rates. Room A has a high 35.1%, B and F are slightly lower at 29.2%, C and H have a much lower 4.1%, and E and G fall in between at about 17.2%. This analysis strongly rejects the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis, demonstrating a clear link between room type choice and cancellation. Certain room types are more prone to cancellations, offering insights for hotel management to improve allocation strategies, enhance guest satisfaction, and boost revenue. In summary, our project harnesses advanced analytics, to enhance financial stability, streamline operations, and boost guest loyalty in the hospitality industry through improved prediction accuracy, adaptable strategies, and a focus on guest satisfaction. We empower hotels to navigate reservation cancellations effectively, building a more resilient sector. Thank you for watching my presentation.